Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your SamCart course, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you add a PDF download to your SamCart course? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to add a PDF download to one of your courses in SamCart anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business selling courses, you know that sometimes you have to add in a checklist or maybe some sort of a shopping list to your course lesson. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your SamCart dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my SamCart, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to add a PDF download to one of your courses, here on the left side, you're going to click on apps. Once you click on apps, you're going to see these 5 options right here, and you want to click on course platforms. Once you do that, you want to look for the SamCart courses logo right here. Once you click there, you're going to see all the courses you're selling on SamCart. So go ahead and choose the one that you want to add the PDF to. So for example, this one. Okay, once you do that, you'll see these 6 options here at the top, and you want to click on units and lessons. Okay, once you do that, you want to scroll down and choose the unit or chapter you're going to add the PDF into. So for example, this unit's about Chinese food. This one's about Mexican food. So maybe I'm going to add a shopping list to my lesson about burritos. So here on lesson number 2 for burritos, I'm going to click on edit. Okay, once you do that, there's a few different ways you can add a PDF. One, you can go ahead and add a download right into the content. So you can click here, add content. Once you do that, scroll down until you see this, add download. Once you click on add download, you're going to see this box pop up in the content, and click here to add a downloadable PDF file. Okay, now you can go ahead and upload a file from your computer. I already have a PDF right here, so I'm going to choose that one. And then I'm going to click insert downloadable file. Okay, here you can see the file right here, and you can go ahead and name the title to this PDF. So download now. Once you're done, scroll up to the top and then click on save. Okay, so now anybody who ends up on this lesson, they're going to see this PDF in the content. However, in the files, you can scroll up and look for these 4 options. Click on downloads. You're going to be in the lessons downloads, and then over here on the right, click on add new download. Once you do that, go ahead and name the download PDF burrito shopping ingredient list. Okay, and then off to the right, add file. Now you can go ahead and choose the PDF. Once you've chosen the PDF, click on add file. Once you click on add file, the page is going to refresh, and you want to click on save here on the top right. Okay, so now we've added the PDF downloadable file into the content, and then we've also added it into the lesson. And if you want to see what it looks like, click here, view lesson. Okay, so here we go. So here's the content section. So this is where we added the first PDF, and they can click here and download. And then a little further down, we see lesson downloads, and this is where we added the burrito shopping ingredient list, and there's a big blue download button. So either way it'll work. I kind of like this second one just because it looks a little bit more professional, but that's really up to you. So there you have it guys. If you're wondering how to add a PDF download into your SamCart course, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.